ActiveCampaign is a powerful platform for email marketing, automation, and CRM. Here's a concise guide on how to use it effectively. Sign up and log in. Visit ActiveCampaign's website to sign up for an account. Log in to access the dashboard. Set up your account. Configure your account settings by entering your business details and setting up your email domain. Create a list. Navigate to the Contacts tab and click on List to create a new list. This is where you will store your contacts for segmentation and targeting. Add contacts. Import contacts via CSV files or manually add them to your list. Ensure you have permission to email these contacts. Design campaigns. Go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign to design your email. Choose a template, customize it with your content, and set up any necessary tags or triggers. Set up automation. Under the Automations tab, create workflows to automate tasks such as sending follow-up emails or nurturing leads based on user behavior. Use CRM features. Manage your sales pipeline and customer interactions using the CRM tools provided. Track deals, tasks, and communication history. Analyze performance. Monitor campaign performance and automation effectiveness through analytics and reporting tools to refine your strategies.